Imagine a camera that records in true 7K RAW, shoots 40 frames per second photos, and uses AI to predict your subject's next move. Canon just made it real. Meet the EOS R6 Mark III, where hybrid shooting becomes something entirely new. Today, we're taking a closer look at Canon's latest full-frame powerhouse. No gimmicks, no fluff, just pure performance designed for filmmakers, photographers, and every hybrid creator in between. At the heart of the R6 Mark III is a newly enhanced sensor delivering 32.5 megapixels and Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, one of the most reliable autofocus engines ever put into a mirrorless body. It locks onto subjects in lighting as low as EV-6.5 for stills and EV-4 for video, giving you sharp, confident focus even when the world around you almost disappears into darkness. Speed? The R6 Mark III fires off up to 40 frames per second, capturing peak action with astonishing accuracy. But the real leap forward is Canon's AI-powered subject detection. It identifies people, pets, and even vehicles with near-instant precision, tracking them through complex motion so you can stay locked in on your story, not your settings. For filmmakers, the headline spec is crystal clear: 7K RAW recording. Shoot in 7K 17:9 widescreen or 3:2 open gate to unlock the full sensor for reframing, stabilization, and future-proofed delivery. The camera records 12-bit Canon RAW Lite straight to CF Express Type B or UHS-2 V90 SD cards. Pair that with Canon Log 2 and Log 3 for more than 15 stops of dynamic range, and you've got cinema-grade flexibility packed into a compact mirrorless body. Monitoring is handled by a crisp 0.5-inch OLED viewfinder with nearly 4 million dots, along with a fully articulating LCD that's ready for any angle. And whether you're shooting handheld documentaries or fast-paced travel content, the 7.5 plus stops of in-body stabilization keep footage incredibly smooth. With shutter speeds up to 1/16,000th of a second electronically, freezing motion becomes effortless. Canon gives creators an expansive ISO range, from 50 up to 102,400 for stills, ensuring the R6 Mark III stays reliable in nearly any lighting condition. There's also a dedicated stop-motion edition, featuring a boosted live view resolution of 1920 by 1280 and specialized tools for animation workflows, including focus position memory and aperture lock. The standard R6 Mark III launches at $2,799, while the stop-motion version comes in at $2,899. Canon will release the camera on November 21st, 2025 in Japan, followed by a US launch on November 25th with availability through the official Canon store on Amazon. If you're a hybrid creator who demands speed, clarity, and next-level intelligence, the Canon R6 Mark III might just be your next creative partner. For more deep dives, comparisons, and gear breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.